Welcome to this Windows Computer and Technology channel, and here is the market share numbers for the month of March 2022 for Windows. And of course, we always take a look at this, and it's kind of interesting because we want to see also the progression of Windows 11 in there. Well, what happened this month is kind of interesting. Windows 11 seems to have stalled. Last month, Windows 11 was at 19.2 or 19.3% last month. And this month, it's at 19.4, which is almost nothing in progression. So what is happening as all the machines that could been upgraded to Windows 11, and now it's stalled there for a while? Are a lot of people thinking, well, you know what, I want to wait? Is that maybe stalled now and will actually get back on track to increasing when the next big update this fall happens? It's curious because the updates, and the progression was pretty steady and pretty good. So it seems here that it's kind of hitting a wall for some reason. It'll be interesting to see next month and for the rest of the year how it progresses. So 1 in 5 computers is on Windows 11, but still, majority of people on Windows 10, which is to expect. The most popular version is now 21H2, followed by 21H1. They're not very far apart, but both together give 55% roughly of the Windows 10 and the Windows situation here. So 21H2 and 21H1 are dominant. We have a drop, of course, of 20H2, which is actually close to being out of service. So that is also something interesting to look at. 10.8% right now on 20H2. And everybody on 20H2 should be moving on to 21H1 at least, if not 21H2. To make sure that you continue getting updates. So, kind of interesting numbers. Windows 11 at 19.4%, pretty much stalled. That is a surprise. I would have expected at least a couple of percentage points more rather than a stall. Now, this is interesting because at Duplex, the way they actually get these numbers is by looking at 5,000 Microsoft Store apps and looking at what version of Windows is accessing these apps. So that is kind of the interesting side to it. How accurate is that is difficult to assess, honestly. But that's pretty much the only number we really have officially. And it seemed to be accurate, somewhat accurate over years. So we expect that to be still the same and still accurate. So going to be interesting to see as Windows 11 stalled, as it hit a wall, and people are going to really very slowly now update. That's going to be something to look at for the next months. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.